In today's video, I'm going to show to you how to get TSA Global Entry with your Amex Platinum Card. So what you have to do is simply search for fee credit for Global Entry or a TSA pre-check, and then you'll have to click on this, and then you're going to get redirected here. And as you can see, to receive this benefit, apply for either Global Entry or TSA pre-check. And as you can see, you have to simply click on Get Started, and then you'll have to apply, and that's all you have to do. So as you can see, there are other steps. So you'll have to, as you can see, card members approved for Global Entry will also receive access to TSA pre-check at no additional cost. And as you can see, the basic card member may receive an $100 statement credit every 4 years for a Global Entry application fee, or up to $85 statement credit every 4.5 years for this TSA pre-check application fee for each card on the Platinum Card account. So as you can see here, you can check the benefit terms, and then you have to simply click on Get Started and apply. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.